welcome to learn SAP FICO. Friends, today we will learn about some basic settings. Basic settings related to create company code. Step 1. Enter T code OX15 and fill details. Now we will do practical on SAP screen to create company. Now we will run the T code SPRO. We'll go through a path. Click on SAP Reference IMG. Click on Enterprise Structure. Now click on Definition. Now click on Financial Accounting. Click on first option. Here Define Company. It is the execution button. Click on it. And to read the description we can click on this note. Here is a description about Define Company. You can read through this note also. Now we will click on this execution button to create company. Click on new entries. Here we will give a code for our company. I am writing Tata. Name of a company, Tata Private Limited. Now give the details, city, country, IN for India, EN for English, and you can press F4 to see the list of the languages. I have selected EN for English, currency INR. Now click on this save button. Now we will create a prompt for customizing request. Here the data will store. We will create new request, transferred request. Here we will give a short description of our company, Tata Private Limited, and click on this save button. Continue. Now data was saved. Back. Our company has created. Back. Now we will create an company code. First we will go through a presentation. Step 2. See here. Edit, copy, delete and check company code. T code is OX02. We'll go through a path. Path is SPRO. Then click on Display IMG screen. Then click on Enterprise Structure. Then click on Definition, Financial Accounting. Then here Edit, copy, delete, check company code. Now click on this execution button. Double click on Edit company code. Click on new entries to create a company code. Now we will give a code for the company, Tata. Code should be a 4-letter and name of the company, Tata Private Limited. Country IN for India, currency INR, language English, and select this save button. Now we'll have to fill some more information like title. We'll give a company, name of the company, Tata Private Limited. Here I am filling mandatory fields, country India, and click on this. Now continue. Now company code has created, data was saved. Now third step is assign company code to our company. Third step, assign company code to a company and T code is OX16. We'll go through a path, go back, cancel it. Now see, first step is SPRO, then click on this display IMG, then enterprise structure. Now here you have to click on, after enterprise structure you have to click on assignment. Now financial accounting. First one is assign company code to company. Click on this execution button. Here we can assign a company code to a company. Click on this position. Here we have to give a company code, Tata, and continue. Now you can see our company code is mentioned here. We will assign a company code with our company. Company name is Tata. And save. Continue or press enter. Now data was saved. Our company code is assigned with our company. So today you have learned about how to create a company, how to create company code, and how to assign a company code with a company. So friends, if you like the video, please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.